Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining my channel. Love that you've come to see me today. My name is Teresa, and today I thought I would do something a little bit different. With spring around the corner, I've been itching to get out and get started in my gardens, and we did a lot of work in the front yard and a lot of work in the backyard, actually, me and the kids. But I have a bed along my east facing wall in the back that is all hostas and just a complete mess. It's kind of my dump ground in the winter from repots. Yeah. So I thought I would just take you outside and show you kind of the before and after, since I finally was able to get out there this weekend. So watch this. So today I'm going to tackle this garden along this wall. It is east facing, so it gets, in the summer, it gets good light on the far end over there, and this is a little more shaded. And typically what I do is you can see the hostas coming up, I'll show you more closely, but then I do red and orange impatiens in between. Quite nice. So I'm just going to take a quick walk here and show you what's what. I try to get out before the hostas get that big so I can get in between them easily, but this year the weather didn't really cooperate. You'll see a lot of extra debris or dirt and debris. A lot of that is me dumping repots through the winter, so hopefully that'll add some nutrients or something, I don't know. But yeah, so we've got quite a few. The hostas are getting pretty big. You can see in here, a little harder to tell, but they're there. Yeah, these guys are even more hidden. There's some big ones in the back, but if we look over here, they're all pretty small still. So yeah, these boxes in the middle, I have planter boxes that I'll put in there, and then here I think I'm gonna do my 2 Boston ferns this year. Should be nice there. And then of course another planter box there. So once I get all of this cleaned up, this I can't get rid of, but I'll try and hide it somehow with plants. That's just ugly. Yeah, so once I'm done, and I would show you, but I am absolutely not camera ready. I will jump back on and show you the after. Okay, so fast forward about an hour. This is what it looks like. And I'll be honest, I feel like I want to shoot forward, but there was not a lot of weeds, which I was expecting, but see how beautiful those look. Oh. When I moved in about 2 years ago, these gardens were 100% weeds, and I am crazy to the point of digging them out at the root. So I'm not kidding myself. I know that it's early in the year and more will be popping up, but I've got a really good handle on them. And the worst ones are the ones that get caught in between the hostas, because you can't, without breaking the bulbs, it's really hard to actually dig them out. But either way, another thing is all that compost that was on here, or all the leaves and debris and everything else, a lot of that broke down and just acts as a natural organic sort of compost. So it's feeding the soil, and every year I find growth is better. Perhaps because of that. So yeah, just taking a stand back here, trying to go slowly just to show you. So pretty soon this, oh, I'm excited. Pretty soon this will be full of flowers. I'll have my garden boxes in, and then we tackle this. With my couple weeks, we'll be putting up the new gazebo. Then I have to figure out how I lost a lot of real estate with the type of gazebo I got for plants, so that'll be a treat. But yeah, so that is it so far for the outdoor. And yes, I did use a garbage bag, but I'm going to transfer that into a yard waste bag. I just started and realized I didn't have one. So that is that. Oh, that was too fast. Slow down. Okay, so that was that. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, there was a lot of work. It took me probably about an hour to get all that cleaned out. And like I said in the video, there was, I was really, really thankful there wasn't a lot of weeds. But when we moved in to this house 2 years ago, I guess, that back garden, that entire thing was full of weeds. And I literally dug them out by the root. So every year it's been getting easier and fewer. Of course, yes, there is going to be maintenance, but is there nothing better than getting up on a Saturday morning and weeding? I don't know. I can't think of anything better. My jammies, of course. Anyway, so thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it inspired you to get into spring. If you have any great ideas, any thoughts on what you've got planned for the year, feel free to share it below. In the meantime, thank you, and hey, feel free to subscribe. Have a good week. Bye.